smells so nice. I do have pine panelin. I have one sitting right here for 2. I do have cans available for purchase. I have a fabric softener, some dish soaps, if you're not following, please give me a follow. I didn't. I'm working from home today. It didn't happen. We had a late night, you guys. That was so great, but I was like, yeah, it's not gonna happen. Hi, Open Waves. Thank you for that. It was so nice, wasn't it? You guys were amazing. Such a pretty color. I love it. That was the last polka. Still have an aerial to go in. Hi, Ash. I didn't. I'm working from home today. You guys kept me up. That was literally one of the best experiences I think I've ever had. So unexpected. You guys were coming in, supporting each other. It was super random and absolutely amazing. Literally made my heart so happy. Oh, got another R. Hold on. How you know? Oh my God, this smells so good. You guys, thank you so much. Were you guys all up last night? How crazy is that we were all up? I'm never up that late. And how amazing that you guys came in and prayed for each other and asked for prayer. I mean, that's so crazy. And so good. I mean, it just kept getting better and better. You texted me? When'd you text me? It did, right? It was so calm. You guys were all supporting each other. Oh, Opal, you found me, girl. Yeah, you guys, it was like 4 in the morning for me. And I was like, I was gonna go to work. I'm like, yeah, no. I got some great rest. I did. I went to bed, got a little sleep, I was drinking those Arizona iced teas, and I think the caffeine, I finally crashed out, and the caffeine kept me up for a little bit, and I was like, okay, now I'm really tired. Or whatever those iced teas are. Oh, thank you. That's the one in my kitchen. I'm trying to get rid of all these products, you guys, on my shelf in my kitchen so that when I have Thanksgiving at my house, my mother-in-law's like, what in the world? I want to get rid of all of my liquids. So I keep going live doing some like random liquid lives. Stuff you guys don't always request. I gotta get rid of it. That's why we're doing blue pinesol and stuff like that today. So pretty. I want her tree so bad. Oh, you're so sweet. My husband actually decorated that one. I was like, okay, sir. Thank you for the heart puffs. Thank you for the roses. I love decorating trees. I don't usually do it before Thanksgiving, but I just felt like I needed to this year. You guys, this is so nice. Thank you for the TikToks. Thank you for the gifts, you guys. Thanksgiving, so I don't like to like jump the gun. But I just wanted to this year. Thank you for the taps. Oh, it smells so good. Hey, Blondie. Welcome in, babe. I did sleep. I went to sleep at like, whatever time we got off was at like 4:30, and I slept till about 10. So I did good. I sure did. Is Blondie in here? I know, I needed it. I was tired. Hey, Jess. Aw, thank you. Don't let me fool you, I'm a turd. I'm a little ornery thing sometimes. But we can all be, don't you think? Dual personalities. Crazy. Right? Exactly. I'm like, I can be all the things, guys. Don't let me fool you. Oh, that's so good. It's getting thick. Does anyone want to send for liquids, or should I hand mix the rest of the cans in? We have added all the liquids that have been sent for. You guys want me to hand mix the cans in, or should we loosen this up a little bit? Yes, I can show you the shelf. And you guys gotta help me get my angle back.